Testing 1 2 3. Can you hear me? Yo, what is up? Happy New Year. Happy 2023. Y'all, I know it's been I've been inconsistent, but I'm back, and I'm back for good now. I still got my truck, still doing the thing. So y'all, tonight we're doing an Amazon load. We have 2 stops. We're gonna be dropping off in Marietta, Georgia, and Dahlonega, Georgia. So getting this pre-trip done, warming up the truck, doing all that good stuff. And yeah, y'all, so let's go ahead and go on this journey. I hope y'all 2023 is off to a great start. Happy Black History Month. I'm so excited to be back. We got some great content coming this year. So consistency. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Yes, and Rick, I saw you email me. I will be responding to you. So yeah, and shout out to my best friend Dane, who loves my vlogs, who really actually encouraged me to do this video tonight. You didn't even know it. So yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and let's get rolling. I ain't gonna hold y'all. It's cold as heck out here. Like legit, so freaking cold out here. It's like 46 freaking degrees. Sorry y'all can't see me, but it's cold. Alright, y'all, so you remember I told y'all before about condensing the palette? Well, this is what I'm doing right now. I'm going to explain it a little bit later, but this is what I mean when condensing the palette. Taking items from one palette and putting it into another. So I did that for this palette going into Gaylord, which I will explain later, but this is what I'm doing right now. Alright, y'all, so I'm all loaded up. So tonight was a great night to record because I know I told y'all that I have a 24-foot box truck. Today loading up was a little bit. It was a bit. But working with Amazon, you need to be a problem solver. Working for yourself, you need to be a problem solver. So you know I have a 24-foot truck. Amazon requires a 26-foot truck. Requires a 26-foot truck in order to fit 12 pallets. So I know I showed y'all when I got in how many pallets I had. Maybe I didn't, but I only had about 5 going to Dahlonega. Then it was like 2. It wasn't even any pallets out there going to Marietta. It was just the non-cons, which are the loose items. But as I'm loading the truck up with the Dahlonega items, the guy keeps bringing out Marietta pallets, which I kind of figured he would do because that's what happened the last time I took this trip, but it wasn't that many pallets. So what happened was that in order to get 12 pallets on my truck, this is how I'm able to do a 24-foot box truck. I condensed the pallet. So that is when I'm going to put the clip right here, but that's when you saw me taking the items from one pallet and throwing it into the box. So in theory, they think I have 12 pallets when I really have 11, but all the items are still going because I simply just condense the items from one pallet into the box, and that's how I'm able to run Amazon using a 24-foot box truck. Now, every night you're not going to have 12 pallets. Sometimes you don't even have 10, but if that's the case, you're going to have to be able to condense a pallet. Now, sometimes I ain't going to lie, like during peak season, I was able to get away with some stuff. However, do everything that you can do. If you can condense a pallet, do it. But that's how I'm able to run Amazon using a 24-foot box truck, and I have no problems. You may have to do a little extra leg work, but as y'all can see, I have a full truck. I need to get one of those ring lights for my phones because the lighting is horrible. Sorry about that. But I just wanted to come on and tell y'all that's exactly what I was doing. So, and as y'all could see in the beginning when I was raising the dock plate, I had troubles raising the dock plate, but that was because the dock door wasn't fully up. So it has to be fully up to the top in order for that dock plate to be released, because I had to ask help, and all he did was like lift it all the way to the top. So that's what happened tonight. I have a full truck that we're going to go ahead and make our first stop to Marietta. I think it's about 1 o'clock right now. I don't have to be there till like 4 something, but I think they open like 2. So let's go ahead. Let's head to Marietta. Another thing, when y'all are condensing your pallets, make sure you're taking the barcode from the original pallet that you condense into another one, still scanning that and adding it to the box, because the post office has to still scan that barcode to show that that pallet arrived at the post office. So dropping some knowledge for y'all today. I'm so happy to be back. Alright, y'all, so I'm at a second location, Dahlonega, the post office. As y'all can see, I'm here in the country with deer and mountains and stuff, so just know if you're going to get into this industry, there's going to be some times where you're going to be in some mountainous places late at night, especially with Amazon, or early in the morning in this case. So it's about 3:15 a.m. right now. Not even supposed to be here till like 5, but post office is open. Let's unload. I'm not gonna unload. I'm not gonna record this unloading, simply because I just did the last one. But I'm here, y'all. It took me about an hour from the first stop in Marietta, so I'm about to unload, and I'm gonna probably not check back in with y'all. I'm gonna do a recap most likely, but if I don't, thank you all so much for checking out yet this video. I'm super excited to be back with you all, and yeah, till the next video, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed, tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all